Hi, today we are going to introduce a new mobile phone AV adapter cable, Mirascreen LED13M-1. Here is how to set up your Mirascreen. Connect Mirascreen LED13M-1 to TV, power it on and connect it to your phone. Click Trust on your phone to square mirror to TV. Then you can play YouTube videos on the big screen smoothly. Enjoy mobile games on big screen. And present PowerPoint slide on big screen easily. Download EasyCast app for keeping your Mirascreen up to date. Here is how to upgrade your Mirascreen. If you like this video, please drop us a like and subscribe for more Mirascreen tutorials.